Guys, please subscribe and help us get to 50,000 subscribers. Welcome to our FANS Wethu TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Zimbabwe 1. I'm joined by the one, the only KG.
Sibo, my brother.
Very.
Hey, Shabunzet.
I'm not.
Hey. Bafana. No. This is a proper team. We've built a proper team now.
Yeah.
I think we should now test the boys with European sides.
Yeah.
You understand? So
yeah,
we need to test their character now. I think it's about time.
Yes.
These boys play some incredible football. Dominant. And not only dominant, aggressive. You know, in football, you need to be aggressive if you need to win your games.
Yes.
You can't just dominate the game and maybe play a lot in your half.
So pass off.
Yeah, just around. You understand? So beautiful display from the boys. Same system. Difference is Pesitau out for Apolis.
You happy with that?
Yeah, very happy. I've been saying, my brother, about Apolis. You know, Apolis is a quality player. For me, Apolis should be playing for my FC, my football club, Kaizer Chiefs. But it's been a while. But I've been doing that. You know, I've been doing that all the time. That is a man of the match performance. 2 assists, beautiful. Third goal to set up Morena. That assist is top.
He's not left-footed.
My brother, that is a top player.
Good
you know, the pass eliminated Zim players. He found a passing lane in between the defenders to set up Morena. And you know, the intelligence is one. He managed to pick up the run, Morena's run. Which is intelligence. Morena from the bench, 2 goals. Super sub. Bruce knows how to read the game. Let's be honest, he knows how to read the game.
Yeah.
He really came out today. The boys played well. It's difficult actually to pick up the man of the match when you look at the overall performance of the
boys.
Team. Yeah. 4-2-1, 3-1s again, 2 pivots. They drive. Those boys drive. You've got Mokwena, you've got Sutole. Those boys are marshalling that team. Midfield. You know, they marshal Badlala Bafana Bale. And you know, the dominance people don't pick up. The dominance of the Bafana is in the middle. Not so much on the wings. You know, when you dominate the midfield, there's no way you can go wrong because you destabilize your opponent. Yeah, they can't go through them. Yeah, and face your keeper because you've got 4 at the back. You've got 2 pivots. Those boys, they cover a lot of ground, like I said the last time. Sitole, Mokwena, Mushishi, top performance, came out better. To actually play one of the best games I've ever seen.
From Shishi?
Yeah, from Mushishi. Yeah, you know, I always say Mushishi is not a 90 minutes player, but today he played very well. You know, age is no longer on his side, but he showed character, he showed experience. We want his experience today. Top performance from the boys. Let's build from here. You can see the vision from Hugo Bruce. You look at the boys, the way he plays, the crowd in the stadium. When was the last time you saw such a big crowd? Exactly. You win your games, you dominate. When you dominate, you pull the crowds. Stadium. You don't win, you'll play in an empty stadium. These guys are no longer what we call Balula used to call them. He said they are a bunch of what?
Akiti.
Yeah.
No, you can say it.
Yeah.
A bunch of what? What did Fikile say?
Yeah, no, we also used to call them banana. You know? But now we've got a team. These boys, like, they play week in and week out. It's like a team that I'm sure, my brother, if we can build from here, Bonaraya World Cup. True. We are going to the World Cup. The last time we played in the World Cup tournament was in 2010, and we were the host, you know. So here it's about time we qualify. The biggest challenge that I thought we would have, obviously, you know, Nigeria, Benin, but the way we are playing right now, we can really top the group and make it to the World Cup. Yeah, I'm telling you, there's a big chance now that we'll get there.
And if we make it there, I'll share about like can we take it?
No. Yeah. No, you're taking it far.
It's a stretch. Okay, stretch.
Yeah, no. Our boys are no longer the bunch. Are no longer the bunch of losers. You know? Yeah, but for a World Cup, we need to first win the AFCON. Yeah, that's why I'm saying to you, let's test the character with European sides.
Yes.
European sides can really test their character so that we know how far long we are in terms of preparation.
True.
Going into the games next year.
Yes.
Yeah, because we still have to play the likes of Nigeria once again, you understand? Yes, and we still have to play Lesotho. Yeah, Lesotho as well. If I'm not mistaken, we still have to play... Is it Benin? Maybe Benin. Yeah. I think it's Benin. So, so you understand the amount of work that still needs to be done. But before those games, we need to play against top sides. Yeah. Even if we lose 3-0, but you know the character, the mentality of the boys will be tested, and they will know how far long they need to prepare in terms of going to the World Cup. Yeah. Man of the match. Man of the match for me is Apollis.
Why?
Police, quite very good player on the left wing. He plays traditional football. You know, that all traditional way of playing things. Playing style. Yeah, playing style. Yes, yeah, playing style. Yeah. He played very well. We used to have a lot of wing play back in the day. Now you don't get it so much because people prefer to play in the middle.
Sure.
Yeah, even there's a lot of players that invert into the midfield. Yes, but beautiful display, great 2 assists. He works very hard. He has the energy. Yeah. Let's sign this boy. Boy. He's my man of the match.
Yes.
Yeah, he's my man of the match. I'm telling you.
Police. Because like one child back in the day, we used to have strong wingers.
Yeah. Jabu Pulo was a top winger. You still had players like Bostanten Stiga, Fredericks.
So he's there, Elena.
Yeah, no. Let's have him. Let's sign the boy.
Who do you ask to choose? You can even
I've been saying.
Never stop, KG.
Yeah, Apollis. Kaizer Chiefs needs to sign Apollis.
Please.
Apollis will add what we need
value
into the new season. He will add value. He will make sure that he gives it all. You can see the boy is giving it all, and he's selling himself. Let's be honest, he's selling himself.
Yeah.
He says, "I'm ready. I have my hand up now."
Yes.
So it's about time now we start negotiating.
Were you happy at this up?
Yeah, I was happy at this up. You know, if you have got a coach like Hugo Bruce, he reads the game. He managed to read the game very well. That sub, Morena is actually top because you look at the when he came on, and then he got a goal, and then get a second goal. You know, from the bench, how often do you see players score tries from the bench? It's rare. He knows how to use Morena. He knew how to use him to get the best stuff out of him tonight. Yes. Well done to the boys. They did very well. And for let's just wait for the new season. Yeah. Club football.
Who's your coach next season?
Yeah, Nabi is almost in. Nabi. And what we want to go for is the league title, DSTV Premiership. Yeah, we want to go for the DSTV Premiership title.
I get it.
Yeah, I hope that guy is a serial winner. He knows how to win direct football, but with aggression once again. Yeah. As compared to the Sundowns way of doing things, whereby they do what we call consolidation. When they consolidate, they take a low-risk method of restarting play. With Nabi, it's going to be direct intensity, and I believe that we will do well. We go for the DSTV title. I really don't winning Masandawana because right now they can't win cup competitions.
Is it?
So again, Batlo Odela, Rhulani, a very strong helmet. SAB has approved helmet so that we have an attack. he'll have full protection.
Yeah,
they are coming for him. They are coming for him. They are coming for him. Get a model helmet and I'll bring it next time I do an interview so that he knows it's a SABS approved. Like, even an AK-47 bullet will not penetrate that one.
Like a rapper of some sort.
Yeah, something. Yeah, but a strong one. Actually, not like a rapper, but something. Ethylene, like steel. You understand? It doesn't need plastic. Plastic is not good enough for what is coming for him. But you saw how they were talking about him go riding. Yeah, they were calling him names. Some of the things they said on camera I cannot even mention. So it tells you that the pressure is on. World Cup, obviously I can't mention it. They're going there to add numbers. They're going there to add numbers.
They won't win.
Do you think they will win? They'll come back. Yeah, they'll come back without anything, my brother. They'll come back without anything. Zero. I only wish Ngabe can alone go MTN8, you know?
No,
my brother, so that I can win the first match in the MTN8, so that they can attack more and more. When they attack more and more, then I'll just order him the helmet so that he can just use it for
Coach Rhulani.
No, it's not that.
Okay, no. Give me the plan. Okay, but also.
Yeah. It's not that I come badly. You know, I always tell you that I love nice football.
Okay, so it's a rivalry thing.
Yeah, it's a rivalry thing. But that helmet is very important. It's something strong. Yeah, it's a requirement for him.